In this video, I will show you how to set up your Philips PFS6939 TV. So once you mounted your TV and plugged it to the power outlet, we're gonna have to select the language. First, to navigate on the languages list, use up and down arrow keys on your D-pad, and to select a language, use the central D-pad key. So let me select English, then select the region on the following page, and then you're gonna have to create a PIN code for your TV. So use D-pad keys to navigate on the on-screen keyboard or the keypad, and the central D-pad key to select a digit. And this way, provide a PIN code once and then confirm it by providing it once again in the following field. Select your connection type. If you're using a LAN cable, select wired and then plug in the wired cable to your TV. If you want to connect your TV to the Wi-Fi, select wireless and press OK. Then select the available Wi-Fi on the list, press OK, and then enter the password to it using D-pad to navigate on the keyboard and OK button, so the central D-pad key to select a digit. And if you want to erase, use this tool in the top right corner of your keyboard, and this way enter the password to your Wi-Fi network. And once you have entered the password, navigate to enter and press OK. Then wait until you are connected and click OK. Now we're gonna have to wait until we are connected to the server. Now read the terms of use. You can scroll down using the down arrow key on your D-pad, and then press OK once you have read it all on, or whenever you want, basically. Next, if you want to accept all of the privacy choices, just press OK. If you want to have more choices, tap more choices and select either accept all or reject all. So we can reject all the choices and basically continue the setup. This way you will have less personalized ads on your TV. Now select either home mode or shop mode. Most probably you want to go with home option if you're setting this TV up for home. Now if you want to scan for channels right now, hit the checkbox next to the cable type that you're using to connect with TV, so antenna or satellite or a set-top box. I don't have any cable connected to my TV right now, so I'm just gonna click continue, and you can always do this later in settings. So if you're planning to do that later, I think this would be a best option for you. Okay. Now select the basic color for your Ambilight. Just pick one from the list and press OK. Or not from the list, from the palette. And then press OK to finish the setup. Wait for a moment. Okay, and so right now the TV is fully set up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable Ambilight on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To disable Ambilight on your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon from the home screen of your TV to open settings, and then in settings navigate down to Ambilight tab, then in Ambilight style, in Ambilight tab go to Ambilight style and then select off. After selecting off, you will completely disable Ambilight on your TV. So whenever you want to turn it back on, just select a different Ambilight style in this menu. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check model and serial number of your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick menu on your TV, then scroll up to the help option, and in help menu select TV information. And here you'll be able to check both the model name of your TV and the serial number of it below, and also the software version at the very bottom. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch inputs on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To switch an input, you just have to either press an input button, which is located right here on your remote control, and then select the source, or you can also press the quick settings button on your remote control and then select sources, and it will redirect you to the same menu. Well, you'll be able to select the source you want to switch to. So if you want to switch to one of your HDMI ports, just select HDMI 1 or 2 or 3 and click OK button to confirm. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Ambilight on your Philips PFS3969 TV. To enable Ambilight, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Here in settings we're gonna have to select Ambilight tab, and in Ambilight tab go to Ambilight style. Now change it from off to basically any other style, for example the standard one, which will enable standard Ambilight for your TV, and then just leave this menu, or just press the home button on your remote control, and this way you will enable Ambilight on your TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the software version of your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the TV screen to access the settings menu. Here in settings, navigate down to the update software menu, and here we can check the current software info. So just go in here, and here you'll be able to check the release version, the creation date of the latest update, and also you can check your Netflix ESN number in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the picture mode on your Philips PFS6939 TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Here in settings we're gonna have to select the first menu, which is picture, and then go to picture style and select one of the available styles we have in here. So as you can see, we have the default personal style, the crystal clear, screen home cinema, echo or echo style, movie style, and basically to switch to any of them, just click OK on the picture style that you like. And once you've made the changes, just exit to the home screen. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set Ambilight saturation on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. So in order to adjust your Ambilight saturation, or in other words, colorfulness, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings list. On the list, select Ambilight. Then in Ambilight, go to Ambilight personalization for your Ambilight effect. And here, scroll down to the very last option, which is saturation, and adjust it. You can basically make it more colorful by 2 levels, or make it less colorful by 2 levels just by moving this slider either to the right or to the left respectively. And the default value is 0. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set the Ambilight mode on your Philips PFS3969 TV. To set the Ambilight mode, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Here in settings, we want to find and select Ambilight tab. Then in Ambilight, go to Ambilight style and simply change the style to one of the available ones. So if you want to disable Ambilight, go with off. If you want to use the standard Ambilight, go with standard option. If you want to have just one color, select fixed color option. And if you want to adjust the Ambilights to some specific content type, then select one of these ones. So we have music, gaming, cinema, or sports. And once you have selected the Ambilight that you like, just press the home button to return to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove apps from favorites on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To remove an application from your favorites list, you just have to highlight this application on your home screen and then hold the OK button down on the highlighted application. If you accidentally opened it, just return to the home screen. Just hold down the OK button until the options appear on your screen. And then once you see the X icon beneath the application, press the arrow down key on your D-pad, then click OK to confirm. And this way you will remove this application from your favorites. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change Ambilight dynamic speed on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Then in settings, navigate to Ambilight option on the sidebar. Go to Ambilight style and select either standard or sports or cinema or gaming style, as music's fixed color, and of course disabling Ambilight style will not let you change the dynamics of the color change. So let's, for example, select the standard style. Then you're gonna have to go to Ambilight personalization and change and go to dynamics option and change the speed of dynamics, selecting one of the available options. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rearrange home screen apps on your Philips PFS 6939 TV. To rearrange the applications that you can see on your home screen, you have to basically select the app that you want to rearrange, so that you want to replace with another app, or maybe just move the app to the front of the list. And once you highlighted this app, you're gonna have to hold down OK button. And now, in order to change its position, just use left and right D-pad arrow keys to change its position. And once the position is right for the app, click OK. And this way you will replace the app on your home screen. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch between channels on your Philips PFS 3969 TV. For channel switching, you're gonna have to use this button. It's quite an interactive button located right beneath your home button, and to open the channels list, press on it. Now, once you have the channels list on the screen, you'll be able to navigate between channels using up and down arrow keys and this central D-pad key to select. Now, we can do it much easier by either moving this button up or moving it down to switch between channels. However, before we can do that, we're gonna have to switch to the TV mode by pressing this button between return and home button, and then we can change between channels by either moving this button up or down to go back. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset settings on your Philips PFS 6939 TV. So to reset your TV settings without touching your personal data or channels list or applications list, you're just gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. Here in the settings menu, you're gonna have to navigate to general settings, open general settings, and then scroll down to factory settings option. And now factory settings option will only reset your TV's settings. So the channel list or your personal data will not be affected if you select this option. If you want to perform a full reset of your TV, go with reinstall TV instead. So let's select factory settings, and then we're gonna have to select OK, and the settings will be reset instantly. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the system language on your Philips PFS 6939 TV. From the home screen of your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. And here in settings, scroll down to the tab with region and language, which looks like the globe which has an icon of a globe with a clock on it. And select it, then select the first option in here, which is language, then the first option in here, which is the menu language. And here you'll be able to select the language that you like. for example, German. And then just wait, give your TV some time to reset the language. And now once again, to change the language back, just navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then navigate to this option, select the first option here, the first option here, and then select the language. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the pin code to your Philips PFS6939 TV. To do that, we're going to have to navigate to the gear icon from the home screen of the TV. The gear icon is located in the top right corner of your screen. Select it to open settings. Now in settings, we're going to have to scroll down to child lock. And here select change code. Now here you're going to have to enter the current code of your TV. And in order to enter it, we're going to have to press a specific button on our remote control, which is this one with 1, 2, 3 digits on it, and this will enable the keyboard on our remote control. And using this keyboard, enter your current pin code, and then enter the new pin code using the same method. And enter it again to confirm. And this way your code will be changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change sound output on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. To do that, first we're going to have to open settings by navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen. Then in settings, select sound option, and after selecting sound, navigate down to advanced. Then here in advanced, we have to scroll down to audio output. And in this menu, just select the audio output that you want to use. So as you can see here, we have TV speakers, which is the original audio output for your TV. Now, if you have some HDMI sound system connected to your TV, select the second option. If you have wired headphones connected to your TV using mini jack, select the third one. If you have an optical, an audio device connected using optical connection type, select this option. And if you want to combine your TV speaker sound and wired headphones, select the last option on the list. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a sleep timer on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To set up a sleep timer on your TV, navigate to the gear icon from the home screen of your device. Next, once you are in the settings, scroll down to General Settings and open this menu, and then go to Power and Energy. Click OK. Here, if you want to set up a sleep timer, go to Sleep Timer option and then select the time after which your TV should go to sleep. And then, after this time, after your selected time, your TV will automatically switch off. Besides, we have the full switch off timer in here, which is by default set to 140 minutes. But you can reduce this time to any value that you like. And we also have no signal timer, after which the TV will go to no signal mode, and we can adjust it using these three values in here. If you disable switch off timer, a signal no signal timer will also be disabled. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable auto turn off or auto sleep timer on your Philips PFS6939 TV. All you have to do is navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open settings. On the settings list, select General Settings. Here in the General Settings, go to Power and Energy and click OK. And as you can see here, we have three different timers. We have the sleep timer, which is set to off by default. The switch off timer, which decides when your TV turns off, after what time of inactivity your TV goes off. And if you're using your TV as a monitor, for example, you can go to this menu and select off to disable auto turn off for your TV. By disabling auto turn off, you will also disable no signal timer. But if you want to change the auto no signal timer, you can select a different value in here. So if you don't want your TV to turn off automatically, just select off option in here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, we're going to have to make sure that the TV is connected to the internet. To check that, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, press OK. Here in settings, we're going to have to first check wireless and networks. Go to wired or Wi-Fi. Check the network and make sure that your TV is connected to the internet. And press OK. Let's go back to the tabs. And let's select the last tab on the list, which is the Update Software tab. Here, select Search for Updates and select Internet. And then select Update, or just press OK to download the latest update. Then read the license agreement and select Accept. Click Start. And then wait until your software update is downloaded. Then it's gonna have to be installed, and your TV is going to restart several times during this process. And after about 5 minutes of updating, your TV will eventually restart, and you'll be using the latest software version from now on. And that's how you update your software. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to access self-diagnose menu on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To enter the self-diagnose menu, first press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick menu. Then select Help option in here at the very top. And after going to Help, navigate down to Self-diagnose section or TV diagnose if you are looking for it. Now in self-diagnose, you can check the TV by selecting the first option and then watching the video, which will let you check the sound and the general video quality or image quality of your TV. Besides, we also can check the network by selecting the second option. We can also select check the remote control, and in check the remote control option, we can check each button on our remote control except for the OK button. So if you press the OK button, you will select exit, then just press yes to confirm. The last option we have here is view wake signal history. So if you select this option, you'll be able to check the wake signal history on your TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust screen format on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. To adjust the picture format on your TV, first we're gonna have to press the input button and switch to the external input, or basically place some media from the external input on our TV. So in my case, I'm gonna select PS5 to connect to my console. Then we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control and navigate to all settings menu. After that, go to screen and select picture format. And now select how you want to adjust your picture format to your TV screen. So we can use the widescreen format, we can fill the screen, fit to the screen, we can use the original format, or in advanced we can use things like shift, like zoom. After selecting zoom, you can use up and down arrow keys to either increase or decrease the zoom level. Stretch to stretch the image or shrink it. Once again, using D-pad for controls. And if you want to undo some effect that you applied in here, just select the last option that you see right here. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then, once you enter the settings menu, scroll down to child lock section in here. Open it, and now to enable parental rating, select this option. This will set the minimum age to watch programs. Now you're gonna have to enter the code, and to enter the code you're gonna have to use a specific button on your remote control with 1 to 3 digits on it. Press it to enable the on remote keyboard, and using this keyboard enter your current PIN code, and then select a minimum age to watch rated programs in here. And click OK. Once the age is selected, just press back. And this way you will enable parental rating. And if you want to enable or disable the app lock, you have to either switch this toggle to the right to enable it, or switch it to the left to disable it. And once again, in order to perform this action, we're going to have to press the same button, enabling the keyboard on our remote control, and enter the PIN code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Philips PFS3969 TV to the Wi-Fi. To do that, from the home screen of your device, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your device's screen. Then scroll down to Wireless and Networks tab and open it. Then select Wired or Wi-Fi, select Connect to the network. Then select Configure Network, select Wireless, then wait for the available routers list to appear on your screen. And if you don't see your Wi-Fi router here, click Scan again, and let your TV search one more time. Now select a network that you want to connect to and enter the password to it using the D-pad to navigate on the on-screen keyboard, OK button to select a digit or a character, and to remove it, use this tool. Once you've entered the password, navigate to enter and press OK. Wait until your TV is connected to the internet and then click OK to finish. And right now select check the network, try again. And at some point your TV will be connected to the internet. Then just return to the home screen and everything, and you'll gain the access to all the web services. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disconnect your Philips PFS6939 from the Wi-Fi. First of all, we're going to have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the home screen to open the settings menu. Here in the settings menu, scroll down to wireless and networks and open this menu. Then go to wired and Wi-Fi and scroll down to Wi-Fi on/on option. Switch the toggle to the left next to it just by clicking OK button, and then return to the home screen. And this will turn off the internet on your TV. And now if we try to access any web service like YouTube, we will simply not be able to do that since there is no internet. Now if you want to completely clean your device's home screen, then we're going to have to go to wireless and network settings once again, then go to wired and Wi-Fi, then scroll down to clear internet memory, and then select OK. And this will clear all cached and cookies from the TV. Your Wi-Fi password will stay saved, but basically this will erase all the internet stuff from your device's home screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename inputs on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and open settings. Here in the settings menu, navigate down to general settings and open them. Then scroll down to edit input sources option, press OK, and as you can see here, we can select one of the HDMI inputs to rename and customize. So if you want to customize your HDMI input, select it. Then as you can see, we can change the icon of this input, so we can change it to basically anything, for example game console, and then rename it by navigating to the rename option and clicking OK, and then using the on-screen keyboard to change the name of this input. So for example, I want to name it PS5, so let me use the capital letters. Select P, then S, and then 5, and then enter to save. And then just close this window. Now whenever we press inputs, the HDMI 1 will have the gamepad icon and will be renamed to PS5. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add applications to favorites on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the Apps tab. This will open a sort of an app store, except for we cannot download applications in here. Instead, we can only add them to favorites, so they show up on our device's home screen. And basically here, select the application that you want to add to favorites, and once you have selected it, just highlight Add to Favorites option and click OK. And then wait until this application is added to your favorites list. To find this, now you'll have to return to the home screen and select your newly installed application, which will be located on the very end of your favorites list. And to rearrange it, hold your finger or hold OK button on this application on your home screen. Let me return to it real quick. So hold down the OK button on this application, and then you'll be able to use left and right D-pad keys to rearrange this application on your home screen and change its position according to your needs. Then press OK to apply settings. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use universal search on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. For universal search, either navigate to the magnifier icon from the home screen by navigating to the tabs and then pressing the left arrow key and then OK. Or you can simply press the magnifier button on your remote control. And now here you can either select the category that you need, so the category of movies or TV series, or if you want to search straight away, just go to the search field, press OK, and then use your D-pad arrow keys to navigate on this keyboard. OK button to select an application or movie or a show that you want to find, and once you entered the name or just at least some characters from the name of the app or a TV show, you'll be presented with different results, and you will also see different categories on the screen. So if you are only searching for movies, then select movies category. If you are searching for a TV show, then select TV shows. Apps, if you are searching for apps, then also we have channels here, sport or YouTube videos. And then just select the result that you're looking for. Now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set Ambilight brightness on your Philips PFS3969 TV. To change Ambilight brightness on your TV, you have to navigate to the gear icon from the home screen of your TV, tap on the gear icon to open settings, then scroll down to Ambilight tab, open it, and here we'll be able to change three different the brightness for three different Ambilight modes. So the first mode is just the general Ambilight style you have selected on your TV. You can always change it in the Ambilight style menu by selecting a different one. And to adjust the general brightness for your ambient style, go to the second menu in Ambilight menu and change the brightness manually here. if you want to set the automatic brightness, switch the toggle to the right next to Echo Room Adaptive Brightness. So this is the general brightness of your Ambilight. And if you want to, we also have the Launch Ambilight, which enables when your TV goes to standby mode, and the Ambi Sleep, which is just like the sleeping mode for your. So when you enable Ambi Sleep, your TV goes to sleep, and it turns on a specific Ambilight colors and also some background sounds for you to sleep better. So if you want to change the brightness for the launch lights, just go to the launch lights menu and adjust the brightness option in here. So once again, it's the brightness of the Ambilight that turns on when your TV goes to standby mode. And for Ambi Sleep, we can change the brightness in the Ambi Sleep menu by adjusting it manually in here. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to access free channels on your Philips PFS6939 TV. So even if you didn't connect any antenna cable or satellite cable or other types of TV cables to your TV, you still have access to various different TV channels that you can easily switch on and watch on your TV simply by connecting it to the Wi-Fi. To connect your TV to the Wi-Fi, select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select Wireless and Networks, go to Wired or Wi-Fi, select Connect to Network, and then select Wireless, then select your network on the list, then enter the password to this network and press Enter. Wait until your TV is connected, and now you'll be able to switch to these kind of channels by pressing the input button on your remote control. Now first we're gonna have to exit this menu and return to the home screen, and then press inputs button on the remote control and select streaming. Now after selecting streaming, you'll be able to switch between channels using either up and down arrow keys for quick switch or just channels button. And as you can see here, we have access to many different channels. Of course, these channels may vary depending on your location. In my case, there are about 100 different channels, I would say. And we can watch any of these just by selecting them from the list. And so that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set Ambilight OFF timer on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. To do that, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Here in settings, scroll down to Ambilight option, and in Ambilight select advanced. Then go to fade out to off and change the immediate value to any preferred value up to 1.5 minutes. Now, if you want your Ambilight to work for some time after you turn off your TV for some longer time than 1.5 minutes, go to the launch light menu instead and switch the toggle to the right next to auto start on standby. You can also change the separate color for your launch Ambi color or Ambilight. And you can also enable dynamic effects and brightness, but what we're looking for here is the duration, and here you can select any of the available durations, and this is basically how long the Ambilight will be working after you turn off your TV. Besides, you can also use the Ambi Sleep feature, where you can also set the duration for which Ambilight should be working, and it also can be very long, up to 4 hours. And it's basically the sleeping feature. So once you start your Ambi Sleep, it will not only leave the color behind your TV, but it will also enable some sounds for you to sleep better. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set black level calibration on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. To see the effects of your calibration, start playing some media on your TV right away. So either switch to some external to some external source, or enable the TV, the TV channels, or just start playing some video on YouTube or from your USB flash drive, because you won't be able to see the changes on your home screen. Then just press the quick menu settings, which looks like the gear button on your remote control. Then go to all settings. On the sidebar, select picture, and here go to contrast, then dark details, and in dark details you will be able to adjust both black level and gamma. So the gamma makes the darker colors darker when you when you move the slider to the right, and it makes them brighter if you move them to the left. The default level is 0 here, and for the black level it basically does the opposite. So the higher the black level is, the more brightened your dark spots are on the video. And if you want them to be darker instead, you will have to move the slider to the left, and the default value here is 50. So now let's see what it looks like with enhanced black level. So we just have to move this slider all the way to the left, and as you can see, the darker spots are now much darker than they used to be. And that's basically the way that you adjust your black level on this TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a gaming console like PS5 or Xbox to your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. So in order to connect your gaming console to your TV, first of all, of course, prepare your gaming console, and the first thing you have to do with it is connect it to the power source. So locate the power port on your gaming console, insert the power cable into it, and then insert the other side of the cable into the outlet. And after you do that, prepare an HDMI cable like this one and insert it into the HDMI port on the back of your gaming console. And the other side of it must go inside your TV. Now you will find 3 HDMI ports on the back side of your TV. They can be reached from the left side of your TV. All you have to do is simply use one of them to connect to your PS5. or Xbox. And after you insert the HDMI cable into one of these 3 ports, just press the power button on your gaming console, and your TV should automatically switch to your console. However, if this didn't happen, you can still simply press inputs button on your remote control. So if you press inputs button on your remote control, you'll be able to switch to your device. Just select it on the sidebar. And right now you are ready to use your gaming console. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change date and time on your Philips PFS6939 TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Here in settings, we're gonna have to scroll down to region and language menu and open it. Then go to clock and open the clock menu, and in auto clock mode, change automatic to manual and then press back. And now we can set the date and time manually by going right here and then using this scroll selection to change the day, the month, and the year on our TV, and then press done when you're done. And then in the very same way, we can change the time on our TV and then press done. However, once you've changed once you change the date and time on your TV, the changes will apply instantly. So as you can see, if you take a look in the top right corner of the TV screen, the time is already reset. However, this kind of change may affect your internet connection, especially Google services, which require your date and time values to be correct, and will not work with incorrect date and time values. For example, we can check the YouTube right now, and whether or not it will work with incorrect date and time values. So let's open YouTube application. Give it a moment. Okay, so actually the YouTube refused to even start, after which my TV has refreshed the page and automatically changed the time to correct values. So yeah, as you can see, this TV resolves this issue this way. So I only recommend changing date and time settings in case your automatic date and time are set incorrectly. In other cases, just go with automatic clock mode. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set an alarm on your Philips PFS6939 TV. If you want to set up a wake-up alarm on your TV, you just have to press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick menu, and here open the sunrise alarm. Then to set an alarm, let's first adjust the backdrop theme. So if you go to the backdrop theme, you can change the background for your alarm. Just select anything that you like in here, and after selecting one of the available options, we can also change the music. Here we have also about 15 different tracks. Just select the one that you like, Now, we can also adjust the volume of the music by going to switch on volume and adjusting this slider to either the right to increase the music volume or to the left to decrease it. We can also adjust the weather location and units in weather menu. Here we have to select an area, so the country and the town. We don't have all the towns for each country, but we have the biggest ones. So just select the closest big town to you in your country. And in unit, we can select either imperial or metric. And here we can check the preview of an alarm so that you get to know what it looks like. And to set an alarm, go to the first option and then select the position. Select, for example, alarm 1. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right, then select the time when the alarm has to be set off, and then the repeat days. So here we can check the days when we want the alarm to be active. And right now the alarm is set up. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up the Ambi Sleep on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To set up your Ambi Sleep mode, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Here in settings menu, we're gonna have to scroll down to Ambilight option, and then in Ambilight go to Ambi Sleep. Now here we can start Ambi Sleep right away by selecting the first option and waiting for a couple of seconds. But before we do that, let's select the color for the Ambi Sleep by going to Ambi Sleep color selection. Now here we'll be able to select one of the pre-installed colors at the top, or you can manually adjust the color by adjusting the red, green and blue levels. Let's just select a preset color. Now we can go back and select the brightness using this leveler. Here we can increase the brightness level or reduce it. The default value is 5. Then we can also select the duration for the Ambi Sleep, so basically for how long this feature should be working on our TV after we start it. So we can, for example, select 60 minutes, and then we can also change the sound for this mode. As you can see, we have various available sounds, and if you want to just have the Ambi Sleep Ambilight without sound, just select silent option. However, I'm gonna go with the rain. Yeah, and we can also pre-listen to the sound. And now to start the Ambi Sleep, as I mentioned before, just select Start Ambi Sleep and then wait for a moment until your TV goes into the Ambi Sleep mode. Here we can still adjust the sound level of the TV using sound buttons on our remote control. And to exit this mode, you can press any button, basically home button or return button. Your TV will still be responsive to your remote control while in Ambi Sleep mode. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set Ambilight color on your Philips PFS3969 TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to have to go to the Ambilight mode. Now, to generally adjust the color of your Ambilight to basically to your environment, you have to go to the Advanced option first and select wall color behind the TV. Now here you'll be able to adjust the Ambilight colors to the color of the wall behind your TV, and Philips recommends using selecting the exact color of your wall in here to adjust your ambient lights as well as possible. But generally speaking, you can select any color in here. This will not set a fixed color for your Ambilight, but it will adjust it to your environment. Now, let's go back to the Ambilight settings. First of all, if you want to have just one fixed color behind your TV, you have to go to the Ambilight style and select fixed color option. This will basically change your Ambilight colors to just one color. And all the other modes will basically switch the color, well, not randomly, but according to the content that you see on the screen. Now, in Ambilight's personalizations, we can change the color by going to Fixed Color Selection. And here, either select one of the preset colors or use the levelers you see right here. Now we can also change the color for the launch light, which turns on when our TV goes into the standby mode. In here, to change the color, go to the color selection and either select one of the preset colors in here, or once again adjust the color using the levelers. And we can also change the color for the Ambi Sleep, which is the mode which turns on when our TV goes to sleep, when we go to sleep with our TV to help us fall asleep. So it uses slightly different colors, but we can still use any color in this mode. All we have to do is go to the Ambi Sleep color selection and once again either select one of the preset ones or use the levelers to adjust the color manually. And once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a full factory reset operation on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To reset all the settings on your TV as well as the channels list and your apps preferences, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your home screen to open the settings list, or you can also press the gear button on your remote control and select all settings in quick settings menu. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to the general settings option, and in general settings we're gonna have to scroll down to factory to reinstall TV. Now one important notice: the factory settings will only reset your the settings on your device and will not touch your device's your channels list or basically anything besides your settings, are not even your Wi-Fi settings, so your TV will stay connected to the Wi-Fi after performing factory settings reset. So if you want to erase your device fully, go with reinstall TV and then enter the code on your in this field. To enter this code, we're gonna have to press the digits button on the remote control, which is located right beneath the TV button, which will enable the keypad on our remote, and here we're gonna have to enter the code that we set for our TV, and then we're gonna have to disable the keypad and select yes to confirm, and then wait until the factory reset operation is finished. Now do not unplug your TV from the power cable and just wait for the factory reset operation to be completed. And once you see the language selection on your device's screen, that means that the factory reset operation is finished. Usually it takes about a minute for it to be performed, and yeah, at this point that's it. Now you're gonna have to set up your TV once again to start using it again, and at this point that's the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust sound settings on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control and then navigate to all settings menu in here. After that, you're gonna have to scroll down to sound option, and then in sound settings, go to sound style and select the style that you prefer, adjusting the sound style to your current media. And if you want to have access to more sound settings, you can go with personal mode. Then by enabling personal mode or style, you'll be able to access personal settings where you can enable clear dialogue feature by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also enable AI equalizer and customize it in the following menu by adjusting each leveler manually. Now here we can also change the TV placement, so select the TV placement that you currently use with your TV. So if your TV uses a stand, select on a TV stand, and if your TV is hanging on a wall, make sure to select on the wall here. This will improve the quality of your audio. Now Easy Link to 0 will only be available if you have some sort of audio device connected to your TV, and the Easy Link feature is enabled in general settings. Now the general settings are the ones with the gear icon on them. So as you can see right now I have them selected, and here if you want to use Easy Link 2.0, make sure to enable Easy Link 2.0 sound control. Now in advanced settings we can enable or disable audio volume feature, so that your sound volume doesn't drastically change when you switch between channels. We can also adjust the delta volume to change the gain offset, and we can also change the audio output. The default option is TV speakers, where you can also use HDMI sound system if you have it connected to your TV, wired headphones, opticals, or combined sound of TV speakers and wired headphones. And we can also change the digital out format using stereo, multi-channel, or multi-channel bypass. And if you have a home theater, you'll also be able to adjust digital out leveling. And below we can also enable the digital output delay, and if you enable our digital output delay, you can also adjust the offset in milliseconds. And that's basically all the settings that you have access to on your TV. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust picture settings on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu, go to all settings, and then select the picture menu here. In this menu you'll be able to select picture style by selecting the first option and then switching the picture styles in this menu. To select one, just click OK, and if you have an HDR supported device connected to your TV, you will also see HDR options in here. So for example, if I switch to my PS5, which supports HDR, and I go to the same settings menu, so all settings, then picture, as you can see, will also have options like HDR monitor, HDR game, or HDR movie, or even HDR echo mode. Now, however, the HDR options support limited settings, except for HDR personal and some other available options. So I'm gonna select HDR personal to show you the full list of settings. So here we have the contrast in the same picture menu, where we can adjust the brightness, the dark details. So in the brightness section we can enable or disable ambient level optimization, backlight contrast. We can switch the contrast mode. We can adjust the video level, as you can see, to make it basically more or less bright. Now we have dark details here, where we can adjust gamma and black level. We have HDR control, using which we can adjust the HDR settings, changing from more brightness to more details. And for some devices we can also enable or adjust the HLG effect. Okay, so in color we can basically adjust the colors to our needs, so we can change the color saturation in this menu. We can adjust color enhancement. We can change the color temperature manually, adjusting the warm point, and also manually adjusting each color using 2 white point alignment. In sharpness menu we can adjust the sharpness of the images, and in picture noise we can enable or disable or adjust noise and artifact reduction. And if you want to reset your picture settings, select Restore Picture Style. However, the Quick Picture Settings option is the option to basically calibrate your image that you see on the screen using your preferences. So basically, if you want to perform a quick calibration of your screen, just select this option, then go to Start, and then make choices which you like the most. So here we have the backlight contrast. Just select the picture that you like the most, the effect that you like the most in here. So either less contrast, or medium, or more contrast. Then the color, pretty much the same. Then the sharpness, and then finish to finish the calibration. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to configure Ambilight settings on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open settings. Here in settings, let's scroll down to Ambilight, select this tab, and as you can see here, we can change the Ambilight style. So if you go to the first section, you'll be able to change the style of the Ambilight to adjust it to the content that you're watching, like sports, cinema, music, or you can make it just one fixed color if you like, or you can disable Ambilight totally by selecting off option. So once you have selected the style, you can personalize your style by going to Ambilight personalization. Here you can enable or disable the adaptive Ambilight, which will link your Ambilight to your room's condition. So basically make it glow less when it's dark in your room and more when it's bright. Now, if you disable automatic brightness adjustment, which basically Eco Room adaptive feature is, you'll be able to adjust brightness manually using this leveler, where you can use left and right arrow keys on your D-pad to adjust the brightness level. You can also change the saturation, so the colorfulness of your Ambilight. You can change the dynamics of the colors, changing from slow, normal to slow to fast, or the fastest one. And you can also adjust the Ambilight on dark content, making it either medium, high, or low, or disabling it for dark content. Now, in the launch light, you'll be able to adjust the launch light of your Ambilight, and here you can enable or disable switching on long light when your TV goes to standby mode with this toggle. You can select the color of your long light by adjusting red, green, and blue levels, or by selecting one of the preset color in here. You can enable or disable dynamic effects. You can change the brightness manually in here, and you can change the duration after which your ambient color will eventually go off in standby mode. In Ambi Sleep, you can adjust the Ambi Sleep, which is basically the Ambilight which turns on once you go to once you turn off your TV and prepare for going to sleep. So here you can, for example, start Ambi Sleep. To do that, just select the first option and then wait for a moment until Ambi Sleep mode turns on. This will make your TV go to sleep. Basically, here you can, in the second menu, you'll be able to adjust the color of the Ambi Sleep. Once again, you can either select one of the preset ones or change the levels in here. As well, we can change the brightness in this menu, the duration after the Ambilight goes off, and the background sounds for sleeping quality, I think. By default, we have the rainforest selected. And in advanced settings, we can adjust the ambient colors by selecting the wall color behind the TV. This will create the best Ambilight experience for your TV if you select the color of your wall. And the time after which your Ambilight switches off, basically when you switch off your TV. So it is either immediately or after some time. And that's all the settings that we can change on this TV. Pretty simple, pretty obvious, but I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.